In this video, let me show you how to set up the Bank of America app for beginners. So if this is your first time trying to set up or trying to enroll for the online banking of Bank of America, let me show you exactly on how it is done. Make sure you head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Bank of America, and make sure you download this application first of all. Once the app has been downloaded, you'll be taken to a similar interface where you'll be able to see a login screen, but instead of the login option, you need to tap on the enroll option that should be visible on the bottom. You can just tap on the enroll option, and in the next step you'll need to verify your identity. You will need to enter in your details such as your social security number. You'll need to confirm your email address as well as verify your PIN. So make sure you follow along and then add in all of the information that is asked. So as I said, in the next few screens, you just need to fill in the information that is asked. And once you add in all of these information, you'll then get prompted to create a online ID as well as the password. Whenever you from next time open up the application, you can simply enter in your credentials and successfully log into the online banking. So this is the exact process that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.